Have you ever noticed how some words just instantly conjure up a feeling of warmth, welcome, and genuine hospitality? There are words that open doors and hearts, making you feel right at home, even in a foreign land. Today, we are exploring one such incredibly special word. The Irish word fáilte, pronounced Fáilte, directly translates to welcome in English. It is far more than just a greeting. It embodies a deep cultural significance, inviting you into the heart of Irish hospitality and warmth. The power of fáilte comes from its deep roots in the Irish language, Gaeilge, and the country's long-standing tradition of generous welcome. This word reflects a national ethos where visitors are truly cherished. It is often extended with genuine warmth, reflecting a heartfelt desire for you to feel comfortable and accepted, making it a cornerstone of Irish social interaction. You will encounter fáilte in many common phrases and settings across Ireland. For example, you might hear Céad Míle fáilte, pronounced Céad Míle Fáilte, which means 100,000 welcomes. You can use fáilte simply when greeting someone entering a home or a shop, or when inviting them to join a conversation or activity. It is a lovely way to acknowledge someone's presence and make them feel included. Understanding and using fáilte, or its longer from Céad Míle fáilte, allows you to tap into an authentic part of the Irish experience. It is a word that transcends a simple translation, offering an insight into the cultural value placed on connection and community. You will often see it on signs or hear it from locals, indicating a place or person that genuinely looks forward to your visit and wants you to enjoy your time. Embracing this word means more than just speaking a local phrase. It means appreciating the genuine spirit of welcome that the Irish people extend to everyone. Using fáilte is a small but powerful way to connect with the local culture, opening the door to richer interactions and a deeper appreciation of your journey through the Emerald Isle.